The Dell Universal Dock D6000 can experience issues like connection failures, unresponsive ports, charging problems, or display glitches. Resetting resolves these by refreshing the dock's internal circuitry, similar to rebooting a computer. It's a quick fix for temporary software conflicts or firmware bugs. The reset process involves a hardware-initiated reboot that restores default settings without losing any data. This clears temporary glitches that can affect connectivity and performance. Dell has streamlined the reset process through the Dell Dock Manager mobile app, which reduces the need for physical button presses and makes it more convenient. For hardware resets, always ensure your laptop is powered off to prevent potential data corruption and ensure a safe reset process. First, disconnect all cables from the dock, including the USB-C connection to your laptop. This ensures a clean reset without power interference. Next, find the pinhole reset button, usually located on the underside or back of the dock. Use a paperclip or pin to press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds. Newer firmware versions will confirm the reset with an LED blink. Finally, plug everything back in and wait 30 to 60 seconds for the dock to reinitialize. Test the ports to ensure functionality. Dell Dock Manager app offers a software reset option, bypassing the hardware steps. This is especially useful for newer firmware versions. Open the app, select your D6000 dock, and look for the reset or reboot option in the settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the software reset. If a standard reset doesn't resolve the issue, perform a hard reset by unplugging the dock from power for 5 minutes before reconnecting. This clears deeper issues. Also, ensure you have the latest firmware installed through Dell Support Assist, as outdated firmware is a common cause of dock malfunctions. Many users encounter common issues with the Dell D6000 dock that can be resolved through a simple reset. One frequent problem is HDMI output failures, where the dock fails to display video on connected monitors, particularly when using non-Dell devices. Another issue is charging drops, where power delivery becomes unstable and devices stop charging properly. In both cases, performing a reset often restores full functionality quickly. Case studies demonstrate that resets significantly improve dock uptime, especially after Windows updates cause firmware conflicts. Dell community forums are filled with user experiences sharing successful reset stories that helped resolve their connectivity issues. Tech analysts emphasize the D6000's reset simplicity as ideal for non-expert users. Dell engineers state that firmware updates proactively prevent most issues. Statistics show a high success rate over 90% in resolving connectivity problems post-reset. 45% of Dell Dock users perform resets annually. Docking stations are evolving with universal compatibility and wireless technology. Expect AI-integrated docks that can auto-detect and reset based on usage patterns. Future Dell docks are rumored to feature Thunderbolt 5 support and built-in VPN for secure resets. The market is projected to grow significantly, making resets an increasingly app-driven process for better user experience.